Now let's do some exercise, okay? So that it will be practice for you. From the list of names,
List of names.
count the number of words that starts with capital S. From the list of names, count the number of words. Count the number of words that starts with capital S. Okay. And use map function, okay?
Okay, sir.
Use map function. Enter.
Okay, sir.
Write a list. One more enter. Take a list of names. Some of names should be start with capital S. Okay. No. Write L equal to square bracket Write some names. No, let's say Sarita within quote S capital. Comma Shravan. No, not there. That is separate quote. This is separate quote.
Okay. Okay.
In Sarita, you give the end quote. Then comma Mohan, comma Masood, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now try to do this. I'm giving you 5 minutes. You have that map function, right? That note on that. Let's say enter x equal to how to write map function? Map bracket start. Then you have to give the logic. Maybe you can use the lambda function. Okay. How to use lambda function? Right, lambda x colon. What you want to check? The first letter should be capital S, right?
Yes, sir.
How to check first letter? X of 0.
S of 0.
X. Remove that.
X.
No, not S. X square bracket 0. Equal to double equal to capital S within quote. Bracket close. Okay, before that give comma L. Before bracket give comma L. So this is nothing but your lambda function, right? So lambda x, first character should be s from that list, right?
Okay, sir.
Enter, print x, one more enter, print x, run it.
Map object at
Okay, then you have to do the sum, right? Before map, write sum. Bracket start and end in the end.
sorry.
Give the end bracket in the end, in the last. Don't remove that end bracket. No, everything keep inside. Now give in the last. In the last, give the end bracket. Now run it.
2.
We have 2, right?
No, you have 2.
Yes. So this is the program to count list of names that starts with capital S
Number of fruits. Okay.
using map function.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's do another program. Now you save it. You can share it later. You can save it in your document. Control X. You have already opened your Word document. Save it. You can save it, your document.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
So write the next program.
Yes, sir.
Create a list name consisting of combination of the first name and second name from list 1 and 2 respectively. From list 1 and 2 list 1 and 2 respectively.
So I think so some
Write L equal to create a list square bracket. Write some names within quote. No, first you have to give the quote, then write. Write comma, quote. Okay, 1 second. No, remove that comma. Come outside the square bracket. There you give comma. Again, one more open square bracket. Here you write the second name. These are the first names. Okay, Ram, Krishna, Sundar. Now
Okay,
write
sir.
the second name here for Ram. Correct. 3, comma. Now whole thing give a square bracket. Remove that comma. At the beginning also give 1. After equal to. Okay. So now see here, this is a list within the list. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the first list having the first name, second list, sublist having the second name. Okay. Now just come to next line. Enter. Print L. Run it. Okay, this is your list. Now,
Yes.
how to print the only the first name list? L of 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
Print L of 0. L square bracket 0. Square bracket. Run it. So here we'll get only the first one. Now print L of 1. Got it? Now I want
Yes.
to combine, let's say it should come Ram, Babu, Krishna, Senthil, Sundar, Suresh. Like that it should come. How to
Yes,
do?
sir. There is two methods, sir, actually. You want to, you can define merge something, you will two list will add merge. Otherwise, you go manually print Ram Babu like L0 and L1 plus again comma L1 plus L like that, sir.
Okay, perfect. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just do it. Guide.
You try another method also.
Okay.
We could, another example too you can put down.
No, after plus, give some space.
Sir,
After plus, give some space.
after plus.
Double quote. Not that space. Again, concat with this space won't work. After plus, give double quote. One more. No, between this double quote, again, then give the plus sign. Between two double quote, give some space. Then give the plus sign. After ending of the double quote, give plus sign. That means you are concatenating again space in between. Okay, run it.
You have to make your thing.
Ram space Babu. Like that you do for others.
Okay, sir.
that bracket you have given in the end, that you put it there in 19, row number 19,
Number 19.
19. Put it there. Okay, so this is the I mean the basic way of doing this, but this is not the actual way. Okay,
Okay.
so now if there are 100 names, are you going to write like this?
Okay, sir.
So you have to put some loop so that this I, it will change from 0, 1, 2, 3, it automatically it will change. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that is try. That is your homework. Now I'll tell you how to use map function here.